Good day, my smart investors. We are live here at Primeville Layout, located at Oji River, one of the fastest development corridor close to Enugu. If you have been waiting to secure land at affordable rates, this is the right opportunity. As you can see, this area has good access road, dry land, and a well-structured plan. This is not bushland. This is future development. Let me tell you something very important. Land in a developing area like Oji River does not stay long in this price. What you see cheap today become expensive tomorrow. Right now, this property you're seeing here is going for 1 million naira. What I say, 1 million naira. As of last month, we used to sell here 650,000 naira on a pre-launch price, and now we are selling here 1 million naira. Before we started selling here 650,000 naira, this place has not been cleared, and so many people bought from this place at the rate of 650,000 naira. But now, as you can see, today this place has been cleared and we are selling for 1 million naira. From now till 28th of this month, if you didn't secure your 500 square meter, which is 1 million naira, it is going to be 1.5 million naira, because 28th of this month we are officially going to launch this property you are seeing on 28th of this month. And if you buy now, you are getting your allocation on 28th of this month, which is the day of launching. Imagine securing your own plot now. In the next 2 to 3 years, this area become fully developed. The value of a property double or triples. Property, I'm telling you, has deed of assignment, irrevocable power of attorney, and registered survey plan. Of course, it is just 15 minutes drive from wonderful markets to this property, and 10 minutes drive from Federal Cooperative College entrance to this property, and 5 minutes away from Federal Cooperative School gates to this property. And as you can see, development is coming here gradually, and very soon we will start fencing this place. It is going to go out from layout to become an estate. Inspection is ongoing, allocation is transparent, and plots here are limited. If you are serious about owning land in Enugu assets without breaking bank, send me a direct message now. Wait until the price increase before you act. Act now and secure your 500 square meters here in Primeville Layout. Property is free from government accusation and free from whatever you can think about that will make you to be scared not to invest in this property. It has all the whole titled documents which you can verify if you wish. So give me a DM today and let me help you secure 500 square meters. Don't forget that this property is brought to you by Sterling Homes and Properties Limited. One love, Capital Estate on the line. Thank you.